Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's your boy D again, back at you with another video. So we're in a little bit of a different venue now. I've recently moved to Georgia, and yeah, it's been a great experience so far. I'll probably make a little bit of a driving video and kind of talk about like my experiences so far. So it's been about 2 months since I moved. I'm just gonna do a couple of quick things on the Forester. So far the Forester has been going strong. We ended up driving it up here, and it's been a trooper ever since. There's a couple of things that I'm trying to iron out. The trim that I did last time, if you guys saw that video, I'm missing a couple of clips on the underside of this. I'm missing a couple clips. I need to order those. They're kind of a specialty part and they're not readily available. So I did some research today, reordered those. The other thing, much bigger issue is the driver's side front wheel bearing is blown now. If you can see, it kind of wobbles, and then we ended up having like a little minor incident with the Forester. So the rear tail light is broken, so I'm gonna change that. The other pet peeve that I've been having for quite some time is the rear trunk latch. It's actually been sticking. So what happens is when we're loading in groceries, we always have to turn the light on inside the car, and it's just super annoying. So I got a used one. Let's see if it's better than this one. Hopefully it will solve our issue. So sorry, I have my hood on because it's kind of cold outside. It's about, I would say, like 40 degrees outside. First, we're gonna start with the tail light. So I'm gonna try to get this. So the tail light, I believe there's an 8mm screw here. There's one on the other side, and I think it's only 3. It might be 2 or 3. I gotta check. I can't really see in there right now, but I'll unbolt this and I'll let you guys know where the other screws are. This actually, to take this out, there's only three nuts that you gotta unscrew. So this is the first one here, the top corner, and then the bottom right corner. This is kind of a pain to take out. What I would recommend is getting yourself one of these shorty wrenches. I was gonna actually change out this tail light anyways, because it was actually leaking on the inside. All right, so I'm gonna grab the new one. So I gotta replace the trim on the bottom because the other one I think is from a different color. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna swap it in. 3 Phillips on the bottom. You have what looks like a 10mm in there, and then another 10mm on the outside. So I guess that's how you remove this green trim here. All right, so we swapped over the trim, just like new. I'm gonna get this installed, and then we'll get started on this. So I took the trim off already. All you have to do is make sure to take off the handle. There's a pull down handle that's right here. You take that off, and then there's 3 clips. So that's it. All right, so there we go. Looks brand new. As for the dent, I can pretty much go on the inside and hammer that out, but it's not a big deal right now. So decided to take the trim off, as I mentioned before. So there's a couple of rods inside. There's a couple of rods inside that I need to unhook. I might not need to replace all the hardware, so I might just try to replace only the latch itself. You got 2 12mm bolts on this side, and then this little thing right here, let me try to, all right, this little thing right here you can pop out with a flathead, and then there's a rod here. What you have to do is this plastic piece, you pull it down and then you pop the rod out. So I'm taking out the old one here. So finally, now when I open the trunk, the light automatically opens. I sprayed it with some PV blaster. I couldn't find my lithium grease, but guys, now it's running real smooth. Guys, just like that, it's time for me to hit the road. I got a bunch more things planned for this car. I mean, I do have to fix the wheel bearing, which is going to be a big process. But, guys, we finally moved to our dream state, Georgia. So I got to do some driving clips. And I also got to let you guys know how this thing is driving. I mean, right now it's not driving the best. It needs some new tires, and I got to fix the rear camber and alignment. Guys, really appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you for your time. Do check out some of the other videos. I have done quite a bit of things to this car, and you know, some a little easier, some not. Big projects coming. I'm thinking of either fixing the head gasket leak or doing a complete WRX swap, but I gotta teach my girlfriend how to drive stick first before I could try to convince her of this. So we're gonna have some videos possibly of her driving my WRX, which I'm gonna enjoy very much. So guys, peace out. Remember, every jersey is different, so make your own.